Licensed security guards will at some time need to use force. This is when de-escalating has been exhausted and the last option is to consider force not disproportionate and necessary. Extra training in conflict management is available through our office. Security guards must use the key points of the force continuum scale. Use of force continuum. 1. Officer's presence be seen. 2. Communication skills be heard clearly. 3. Soft empty hand, open hand gestures. For hard empty hand, closed fist, stand in a manner that allows you to effectively respond to a sudden assault by an offender. 5. Soft intermediate/filled hand. 6. Hard intermediate/filled hand. 7. Use of potential lethal force is the last resort. The use of force is only the last resort when you have used all communication. De-escalation phrase like these. What can we do to help you? Neither of us wants to get hurt, do we? Can we this out together without anyone getting hurt? Think about what you're doing and how it can affect your family and friends. What about trying to solve this problem together? I can see you're upset. What about taking a minute or so to cool off? Security guards need to conduct themselves in a manner that their actions are justifiable as per the Crimes Act 1958 Section 462A. He finds committing any offense. Use of force crimes Act 1958 Section 462A. A person may use such force not disproportionate to the objective as he believes on reasonable grounds to be necessary to prevent the commission, continuance or completion of an indictable offense or to effect or assist in effecting the lawful arrest of a person committing or suspected of committing any offense. Page 21, must be as per the Act. What is the powers of arrest? Does a security guard have the authority? When employed by Security Guard Melbourne or Security Guard Sydney, you may need use your powers of arrest to stop offender committing a crime. Only if it's reasonably safe to do so. Not to causing harm to yourself. You preferably also have witnesses. Use digital self-defense by using your mobile phone or other devices to record your actions and the actions of the offender. Crimes Act 1958, Sect 458. Any person, whether a police officer or not, may at any time without warrant apprehend and take before a bail justice or the magistrate's court to be dealt with according to law or deliver to a police officer to be so taken, any person. He finds committing any offense, whether an indictable offense or an offense punishable on summary conviction, where he believes on reasonable grounds that the apprehension of the person is necessary for any one or more of the following reasons, namely: 1. To ensure the attendance of the offender before a court of competent jurisdiction. 2. To preserve public order. 3. To prevent the continuation or repetition of the offense or the commission of a further offense, or 4. For the safety or welfare of members of the public or of the offender. B. When instructed so to do by any police officer having power under this Act to apprehend that person, or being a licensed security guard, you will be confronted with many situations like unauthorized entry or trespassers. What is willful trespass? The powers of a licensed security guard can make an arrest if without a doubt that an offender is a trespasser. And you have the authority to do so by the owner and/or agent of the owner. You must give 3 clear vocal requests loud and clear. Give reasonable time to leave depending on the situation. You can make the arrest if police are not able to attend and/or the situation is escalated where the only option is to make the arrest. You should have digital self-defense like body camera, mobile phone camera and/or others using their devices to record all the conversations and/or the actions needed. The offense. Summary Offenses Act 1966. Trespassing carries a maximum of 6 months imprisonment and is set out under S9, 1e, of the Summary Offences Act 1966, Vic. The offense is proven where an individual, without authority, willfully enters any private place or a scheduled public place, unless for a legitimate purpose. Willfully trespasses in any public place other than a scheduled public place and neglects or refuses to leave that place after being warned to do so by the owner-occupier or a person authorized by or on behalf of the owner or occupier. This is also known as the agent that has the written authority. Often trespassers are also committing a crime like Summary Offenses ACT 1966 Sect 9. willful destruction, damage, etc. of property. Thank you for watching this training video. Play it as many times as you like to learn the Crimes Act 1958.